I would like to invite a glute activation practice with you. So we'll be doing 10 minutes. It'll be 20 exercises, so 30 seconds an exercise. There'll be a bell sounding every 30 seconds and then we'll swap and I'll be doing it with you. So together, let's engage our glutes, shall we? Starting at the top edge of your mat, step your right foot all the way to the back edge. Plug the back heel towards the back of the room, hands at heart center, and let's go. Pulses down. Engage through the right glute here if you can, and plug down into the earth through the front heel. Breathe in. Breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swap sides. Left toes all the way back. Hover the knee just off the ground. Engaging through the left glute. And again, pressing down firmly through the front heel. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to stand. Step back with the right foot, squat down, and then kick it forward. Step lunge and kick. Step lunge and kick. So it's balance here as well. Step back, kick it forward. Step back, kick it forward. 3, 2, 1. We'll swap sides. Kick the left toes forward, step it back. Come to neutral. Right hand in between the hands, in with feet, step together, and then swap sides. So when you come into the squat, I want you to come really deep down with the hips. Almost into a Malasana squat. Hands at heart center, come down into a squat and move the knees in and out, straighten the legs. Squat, knees in, out, straighten the legs. Squat down, in, out, straighten the legs. Lower the hips, in, out, straighten the legs. Go for some gentle squats, nice and slow. Knees stay out, hips come down. Lengthening through the crown of the head. Squeeze and activate through the glutes at the top. Feet come together, find your chair pose. Weight into the heels, hips sink back. Toes lift. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. Hands at heart center. Find pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten the legs, come up into the toes. Exhale, sink it back down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, straighten through the legs, come up into the toes. Exhale, hands to heart. Step the feet apart, widthways on the mat. Toes out, heels in, sink down. Lift up the right toes and back down. The left heel, back down. Come up onto the right toes, back down. Left heel picks up, back down. Alternating side to side. Come up through center. Step the left foot behind the right, lower the left knee down to the ground. Step back through a squat and swap sides. I love these ones. They're probably my favorite. I think I can feel it most working in the outer hip and glutes. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down onto your hands and knees. Kick the right leg up and curl it back into the nose. Inhale, extend. Exhale, curl. Inhale, extend it up. Take the right knee out towards the right edge. And tiny pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, kick it back. Exhale, take it back out to the right. Bend the knee. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, extend it back up. Exhale, knee to knee. Drop back for a slight child's pose. Back through center. Inhale, open, extend the left toes back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Bend the left knee out towards the left edge. 10, 9, 8, 7. Pulse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, straighten it back. Exhale, take it back out to the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to neutral. Come back to a child's pose. Fire hydrants. Right knee stays bent, take it out to the right, back in. Out to the right, back in. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swap sides. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come onto your back. Bridge raises. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Move with the breath. Hips stay lifted, and then alternate between the right foot to the sky and the left foot to the sky. Right foot, left foot, right, left. Keep lifting the hips up, pushing through the heel. And the last one's going to be a bridge hold. Press down through the heels, open up through the heart, keep lifting the hips, and draw the knees in towards one another. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the hips down, hug the knees into the chest and gently roll side to side on the spine. Whew, well done. To stretch out the hips, we'll just take a reverse pigeon. Take the right foot up towards the sky, blade edge of the right foot on the top of the left knee. Right toes face up, flex towards the knee, and allow the right knee to splay out towards the right hand side. You can choose to stay here if you'd like to. You can interlace the hands behind the left knee and draw the left knee towards the chest. And swapping sides, gently releasing. Left foot to the sky, blade edge of the left foot on top of the right knee. The left toes stay flexed towards the left knee as the left knee stays splayed out towards the left edge of the mat. Option to stay or to interlace the hands behind the right knee and draw it in towards the body. Relax the legs, hug the knees into the chest, roll side to side on the spine again, and then rock and roll up into a seat. Give yourself a little pat on the back, a high five, and away we go. You are ready to get into the day. Woo!